Stop by and take a look at 2021 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, climate control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.